Alocasia Melo, the Jewel Alocasia's Care Guide. Hi, Ferb Vu here. I'm a devoted plant enthusiast, and today, we're diving into the world of the Alocasia Melo, a stunning little plant that packs a big punch. Also known as the Jewel Alocasia for its compact size and dazzling foliage, this tropical wonder is a popular choice for houseplant collectors. But before you bring this beauty home, let's get you prepped with the knowledge to keep it thriving. See more 90 species in genus Alocasia, Elephantiers at monstraholic.com. What is an Alocasia Melo? The Alocasia Melo is a compact species native to the Sabah state in Malaysia. It's a member of the Araceae family, known for its unique and decorative foliage plants. This little gem typically grows up to 2 feet tall, boasting deep green, rounded leaves with a thick texture and prominent veins. Where can I buy an Alocasia Melo? Due to its popularity, the Alocasia Melo is readily available at many plant nurseries and online retailers specializing in houseplants. Be mindful that it's sometimes mislabeled as Alocasia rugosa due to its textured leaves. How do I care for my Alocasia Melo? Here's where the fun begins. Here are some key things to remember for a happy and healthy Alocasia Melo. Light. This plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Water. Like most Alocasias, the Melo enjoys consistently moist soil but not soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, and allow excess water to drain freely. Overwatering is a common culprit for problems, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Mimicking its tropical origins, the Alocasia Melo thrives in moderate to high humidity. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray filled with water, or a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mix specifically formulated for aroids or create your own by combining potting soil with perlite or orchid bark for optimal drainage. Temperature. The Alocasia Melo prefers warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or air conditioners. Fertilizer. During spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. In fall and winter, reduce or stop fertilizing altogether. Does the Alocasia Melo flower? Technically, yes, the Alocasia Melo can flower, but it's a rare occurrence, especially indoors. The flowers are typically small and inconspicuous, often hidden by the foliage. Is the Alocasia Melo toxic? Unfortunately, yes. Like many Alocasias, the Alocasia Melo contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be irritating if ingested. Keep this plant out of reach of children and pets. How do I propagate an Alocasia Melo? Propagation is a great way to multiply your Alocasia Melo. Here are 2 common methods. Division. When repotting a mature plant, you can carefully divide it into sections, each with a healthy stem and leaves. Pot these divisions in appropriate-sized pots with fresh potting mix and care for them like a mature plant. Offsets. Some Alocasia Melo plants produce pups or offsets at the base. These can be carefully separated from the mother plant and potted up individually. Common Alocasia Melo problems. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or insufficient humidity. Check your watering habits and adjust accordingly. Yellowing leaves. Similar to brown leaves, yellowing leaves can indicate various issues. Rule out underwatering, excessive light, or nutrient deficiency. Drooping leaves. This is often a sign of underwatering. Give your plant a thorough watering and monitor its improvement. Alocasia Melo versus Maharani. Both my Melo and Maharani are drama queens, demanding humidity and throwing tantrums if I forget to mist them. But the real difference is in their looks. The Melo's leaves are a stunning, deep emerald green with veins that blend seamlessly. It feels like textured velvet, with a subtle crinkle that adds depth. Alocasia Maharani, on the other hand, is all about the shimmer. Her leaves are a cooler, slightly grayish green with these incredible, silvery white veins that almost glow. It's like having a disco ball plant. In terms of size, the Melo seems a touch more ambitious, already reaching towards my shelf, while the Maharani is happily sprawling on my desk. I love them both, but for pure wow factor, the Maharani takes the crown. Alocasia Melo vs Dragon Scale. Now, these two are a textural adventure. My Melo, as I mentioned before, has this beautiful, crinkled velvet feel. But the dragon scale? It's like holding a tiny alligator hide. The leaves are a similar rich green to the Melo, but way sturdier with these incredible, raised bumps all over. It's fascinating to run my fingers across them. While the Melo's a softie, Alocasia dragon scale feels prehistoric and ancient. Choosing a favorite here depends on my mood. If I want to cuddle a plant, yes, I do that, the Melo wins. But for something truly unique, the dragon scale takes the prize. Final thoughts. The Alocasia Melo is a captivating houseplant with its beautiful foliage and compact size. With proper care, this little jewel can thrive and add a touch of the tropics to your home. Remember, the key is providing the right amount of light, water, and humidity. With a little TLC, your Alocasia Melo will reward you with years of vibrant beauty.